So we are getting ready to go to Alum Creek. This will be the third time we've been there, but we realized we've never really done a proper tour of the entire park. We've shown a little bit of the campground, but it is a huge park. So that's what we are going to be doing, packing up, super excited to hit the road. So let's get going. So we made it to Alum Creek. One of the benefits of going to the same place over and over again, you can go for walks, look for the best sites, and I will tell you that's how we found this one, site A38. This is beautiful. It's so spread out. It's huge. Look how far back it goes. Plenty of room for the truck. It is electric only, but we got a 60-gallon tank. Not too worried about it. So looking forward to this stay. Sometimes you just gotta walk to the bottom of the hill. It's a pretty campsite. That's why I like Alum Creek. Beautiful, wooded, quiet sites. But then we can jump in the car and go to Ikea. Woohoo! Take a quick break from camping to go shopping. Evan, you got your mask to be socially responsible? Yeah. You leave the crazy civilization and required mask wearing to come back to a beautiful campsite with Krispy Kreme. We came back with you. Went shopping, had our rest, had our naps. Time to scooter and bike right around. Downside to plastic wheels.
Can't ride on rocks.
Can't ride on rocks. Bikes win. But there's the nature center. Basketball courts.
fun.
That was long.
Hair's a little crazy though.
We made it! That was fun. Tonight's dinner, chicken on the Blackstone. That's just so nice cooking in an environment like this. So Alum Creek is a huge park, so we are going to be leaving the campground to go to the other side, check out the hiking trails and beach and whatever else we can find. Look, that's a whole other area right there by the water. Alright, so there's the Storybook Trail, which is by the beach. So there's the parking lot. So we didn't see it on any maps anywhere, so come in and go to the left. A bunch of little kids. Well, that was a cute trail, Michaela. It was a children's book.
Yeah.
But it was an easy trail.
Yeah. Very sunny though.
Very sunny.
Yeah.
So if you come to the Alum Creek State Park beach, volleyball courts, very large beach, and right in the middle, pavilion, large restrooms and showers. Should we find another trail? Okay, so there's the multi-purpose trail map. The trail starts right there by the disc golf course. So when you first come in, don't go down to the ramp, just stay up here. So we're on the other side of the lake now. There's the trail map, and there's the trailhead, not very well marked. So watch out for it. Okay, so the trail maps are hidden. So there's our hiking trail.
There's a 1 mile loop, guys.
It's a pretty part of the hike. So the end of the trail comes out on the disc golf course, so watch out for flying discs. So good trail, but not very well marked. So either have your phone with GPS or a compass, so you know which way you're facing when you come to a fork in the road, because they're not very well labeled at all. And not the water. Yeah. Good point. Good point. Now I want to play disc golf. There's the private campers beach. And we were here before, but in the fall. I think they take better care of this in the summer. It's so much cleaner and nicer for swimming. Definitely recommend coming and hanging out down here. It is really warm. It's so much more peaceful than the main big beach. Boat waves. It's not bad water.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't cold, so it was fine.
It was warm. Now we're gonna walk back here behind the beach. So there's the trail that we've walked on before. Maybe we'll do that later. And then over here, it's a nice little area to come sit. So So see, we could have come brought our chairs and sat up here and watched the kids swim from afar. Very nice. So there's your camper's beach when it's empty. So go for a walk in the morning, you see it with no one here. Right there's the B loop. And apparently some people anchor their boats right up to the trail, and that's the camper's beach. Don't know if they ask or they just assume it's fine and no one will take their boat. And then we come out by a fishing pond. So after this trip, I think we've decided Alum Creek is one of our favorite camping destinations in Ohio anyway. It is so convenient to the Polaris shopping area, so much fun things you can do. You can go to the Columbus Zoo from here, which we've done in past years. But when you get back, you have this amazing campsite, and we've come to realize there are no bad campsites here. Some are better than others. They have more foliage, or they're like this, where you have a huge overlook in a ravine, or some are lakefront, but there's really no bad sites. This is just a great overall campground in our opinion. We are in site A38. We also think A36 and A42 are beautiful sites, and they are big rig friendly, so plenty of room here, no problems at all. Beautiful campground, lot to do. There's a reason we keep coming back here. This is our third time here, and we're probably gonna book another time. So definitely recommend Alum Creek State Park. If you're anywhere near the Columbus area, definitely check it out.